This is my Norelco 2100 cassette deck. I believe it was made by Nakamichi in 1972. It cost $220 new. I don't know any service information or operating information on it. Usually I wait till the middle or the end of a video to demonstrate the unit, but I think this time we'll sort of just start at the beginning and listen to it. I'm going to play a little bit of a Walker's tape. Should be able to avoid copyright problems with that.
Welcome to the world of fitness walking and the GNC Walker's Diet. Before you begin your walk, make sure you have completed the stretching exercises as demonstrated in the chart that accompanies this tape. Using this tape for your fitness walking will help you to keep the
I'm having the audio outputs on the back go over to the Aquatron stereo, so we can see that.
Space you need to accomplish your goals of losing weight and improving your health. Ready to go? All right, let's get started.
You'll notice the right VU meter is wonked out.
Remember that good posture is essential.
Have a
This
counter
is especially
to
true
reset.
while doing your fitness walking.
Fast forward. The music on this cassette gets progressively faster as you're supposed to be exercising more. And rewind works. Right now we have it set on the standard tape. It also has CRO2 and something called SPL, and I'm drawing a blank. I don't know what that is. Stereo and mono selector. And it has a very good auto stop mechanism. Alright, we're kind of all brushed aluminum and black for the cassette deck part. We have wood grain on the right and the left sides. We'll look at that in a minute. We have our DNL button. That's Philips's dynamic noise limiter noise reduction system from the late 60s and early 70s. And we have a stereo and mono switch and our power switch and a couple recording volume sliders. Wanted to show you, if you have the DNL in, that light comes on, and if you are going to record, the record light comes on. So that's what that looks like. Now this unit doesn't record, unfortunately, which is why I'm showing you this. It doesn't record with microphones or with the inputs on the back, unfortunately. All right, let's power it off here. In the front, sort of under the bezel, we have our two microphone mini jack inputs, and we have a 1/4 inch headphone jack. As I was telling you, there's wood grain on the right and left sides. Looking around back, we have our power cord, our output RCA plugs, our input RCA jacks. This DNL right and left, I believe that is some sort of bias adjustment. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. And we have some machine specifics made in Japan to North American Philips Corporation specifications. I might have said I believe this is a Nakamichi product. There should be a sample Philips and or Nakamichi cassette deck that has the same things, but I don't know what they are. So here we have our common electrical warnings, some more identifications, 4 feet. The serial number is interesting. I'm not exactly sure how they started their serial numbers, but a 14 at the end. I suppose this could be the 14th one produced, I'm not sure. All right, here's everything from the top. Wasn't too hard to get the case off. 4 screws on the back to get the bottom off. Pull out the record level switches. Slip the top off. Very interesting. I don't see any obvious capacitor problems that would be causing something. Of course, visual isn't the best method for looking at that, but power on. Okay. Don't have a good angle for several of those operations. Let's turn it over and look at the bottom. All right. Not a whole heck of a lot to see under here with the circuit board covering things up. But that's what we got. Like I say, this is, I saw this. The only thing I could find on the internet about this was June 1972 Billboard magazine, where Norelco added it to their line for $220. And that's it. I can't find any operational manuals, any service manual information. It makes it difficult to fix for me anyway.
Remember to concentrate on your breathing.
Okay, we'll end with that little bit there. If anybody has any information about service manuals, operating manuals, what does SPL mean, anything like that, I'd appreciate you letting me know. Till then, this has been the Norelco 2100 cassette deck from 1972, I believe made by Nakamichi. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.